Get a check of the forecast now with meteorologist Cassie Hyder. It is January. It doesn't feel like January.
Thank goodness.
Yeah, I was actually looking back at my old photos. I think last year, a week from now, we were covering snow, which is crazy to think because it's hot outside.
Oh, yes. Well, we had a very little bit because that was when I first moved here and my flight got canceled. And and I was like, there's like hardly no snow.
Well, we're not starting the year off that way this time, right?
No,
Thank
not at
goodness
all.
for that.
Yes. So hopefully if you are doing any traveling over the next week or so, you're going to be just fine as far as the weather is concerned, at least. Well, today we've had starting out with some pretty cool temperatures. We are actually dropped down into the 40s and low 50s. This is our Fort Worth camera. We do have lots of sunshine. It is gorgeous outside, but you need a jacket today. Temperatures will be a little bit cooler this afternoon compared to yesterday. 47 degrees right now in McKinney, 44 in Decatur, but just 39 right now in Bowie, 50 in Waxahachie, 50 degrees right now in Kenton. This is the problem, though. The mountain cedar, it's been high for a while, and it's still in that high category. It's been bothering me, probably a lot of you as well, but unfortunately, it's just not moving a whole lot. So satellite and radar, we do have some clouds east of the Metroplex. I think we're going to see lots of sunshine today, but now I'm going to go ahead and fast forward to early next week. We're going to start the clock on our timecast at 7 p.m. because tomorrow, more of the same. We're going to see some sunshine, a few high clouds moving in later in the afternoon, but Monday looks very quiet. Temperatures will be warm. We're going to see some clouds, and then on Tuesday, kind of a mix of sun and clouds as well. And then here comes our next storm system we're tracking. It's out in the Pacific right now, but it's going to make landfall here over the next couple of days and slowly make its way east and eventually make its way into North Texas. It's going to be Wednesday at 7 o'clock, and it looks like at that time we would be dry. It may not be until well after midnight. So as we get into Thursday morning, where we actually start to see that rain move into North Texas. Right now, the overall coverage looks to be a little low for the most part early on Thursday, but it really increases later in the afternoon and into the evening. By the time we get to Thursday night and Friday, it moves out of here. So Thursday is going to be the day that we're going to be watching for some scattered showers, maybe a few thunderstorms. Temperatures today in the low to mid 60s, so above normal still, but cooler than yesterday. 64 in Dallas, 61 in McKinney, 63 today in Terrell, and then tonight temperatures drop down into the low 40s. There's going to be some upper 30s across just near the Red River, 39 there in Sherman, but 40 in Denton, 42 degrees in Fort Worth. So for today, dry, cool. We're going to have a light breeze. Temperatures make it into the mid 60s. Tonight in DFW, we're talking about 41 degrees. The wind's going to be a lot lighter as well. We stay in the 60s tomorrow, but 70s return by Monday. We're talking near 80 degrees on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday, with increasing clouds, temperatures only drop a few degrees. We're still going to stay in the 70s. For now, I'm going to keep the 70s on Thursday, but we'll see what those rain chances do. Right now, we're going with a 30% coverage, but it could go up. It could also go down. It's done that before, but for now, it still looks warm despite the fact that the rain's going to be moving in. But looking at the second half of that 14-day, it starts to cool down quite a bit. We have a lot more 50s in the forecast. Those overnight lows, you can see some 30s in there as well. But it's also trending a lot drier. So the only chance of rain that we're seeing over the next couple of weeks, it looks like it's going to be this Thursday. Adriana, back to you.